In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Salesflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your contacts into a downloadable CSV or Excel file for backup, analysis, migration, or reporting, with a couple of quick tips to keep everything clean and usable. First, open your Salesflare account and head to your contacts. In the left-hand menu, click Contacts to bring up your full list. This is your starting point for any export, and it ensures you're working with the most up-to-date data visible in your workspace. Next, look to the top right corner of the Contacts list for the three-dot menu. Click it to reveal more options, then choose Export. Salesflare will prompt you to pick a format, typically CSV or Excel, XLSX. If you regularly work in Excel or share files with teammates who do, choosing Excel can be convenient because it opens neatly without extra steps. If you want a format that's widely compatible with tools like Google Sheets, data importers, or analytics platforms, CSV is a great choice. Select the format you prefer and continue. Salesflare will generate your file and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you'll see it in your Downloads bar or in your Downloads folder. CSV files open easily in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet app. If you open a CSV in Excel and all the data appears in one column, don't worry. That just means Excel didn't automatically split it. To fix it, highlight the column with the data, go to the Data tab, choose Text to Columns, select Delimited, pick comma as the delimiter, and finish. Your columns will snap into place correctly. Now, what actually gets exported? Your file will include the standard fields you have for each contact, such as name, email, phone number, and company. Depending on your workspace and what you select in the export dialog, it can also include related information like the linked company or any custom fields you've added. If you've organized your contacts with specific attributes, those can be part of the file as well, making it easier to filter, segment, or analyze later. That's all there is to it. Open the Contacts view, use the three-dot menu to export, pick CSV or Excel, download, and, if needed, split CSV columns using the comma delimiter. With this simple process, you'll have a clean, portable snapshot of your contacts ready for any workflow.